And Roshane Barnett, the man accused of killing 5 people in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon, is now being investigated for allegedly having sex with a person under the age of 16. Here is Kirk Wright with the latest.
Roshane Barnett's attorney, Tamika Harris, says her client was served with documents yesterday for him to appear before an identification parade. This is in relation to allegations of a 15-year-old girl being sexually assaulted. It's alleged that between April 8 and 12 this year, Mr. Barnett had sex with the underage girl. But Ms. Harris says she will be challenging the decision to hold the identification parade on the basis that her client is being exposed in the media.
Putting him on a parade in a situation where his image was all over social media, all over the printed media, all over the television, I do not see the utility in placing him on an identification parade at this time. I barely believe that it wouldn't be fair, as he would have been exposed. Any one of us in Jamaica at this point could positively identify him on a parade.
Mr. Barnett was charged last week in the killing of 5 relatives, Kamisha Wright and her 4 children. The bodies of all 5 were found in their 2-bedroom dwelling with their throats slashed. It's understood that Mr. Barnett gave a caution statement to the police confessing to the murders. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.